Most of the chemicals in our everyday life exist as mixtures, and one type of mixture is known as a solution, which is defined as a homogeneous mixture. An example of a solution is a brewed cup of coffee with sugar dissolved in it, and the brewed cup of coffee, even without the sugar, would be a solution. So a solution consists of at least one substance, known as the solute, which is dissolved and evenly dispersed throughout the second substance, which is known as the solvent. So in the cup of coffee, the solvent is going to be water, and the solutes are going to be caffeine, the flavor compounds, and of course the sugar. Another criteria for a solution is the components, the solutes and the solvent, do not react with one another. So for example, if we dissolve sugar, and here's a sucrose molecule, a Haworth projection of a sucrose molecule on the slide, if we dissolve sucrose in a cup of coffee, the molecule doesn't change. So no chemical reaction of the solutes occurs once it's dissolved. Now the substance that is present in the smaller amount is known as the solute, and the solvent is the substance present in the larger amount. And oftentimes the solvent is going to be water, especially for biological systems. Another criteria for aqueous solutions, or solutions whose solvent is water, is that they are transparent. So even coffee, which is very intensely colored, if we held it up to a light, we would be able to see through it. Another criteria for a solution is once a solute is dissolved, it will not undissolve or settle out over time. Table 8.1 of your textbook summarizes properties of solutions. Particles are evenly distributed, components do not chemically react with one another, aqueous solutions are transparent, components do not separate upon standing, and concentrations can be changed. So we could have sweet coffee or unsweet coffee, strong coffee or weak coffee. Now, solutions do not have to have an aqueous solvent. For example, air is a solution. It is a homogeneous mixture of gases, mostly nitrogen, so nitrogen is the solvent, and other gases are the solutes, such as oxygen, water vapor, and carbon dioxide. Brass is an example of a solid solution. The solute metal zinc is present in a lower amount than the solvent metal copper. So the solute and solvent can be solid, liquid, or gas, but we are mostly going to concern ourselves with solutions in which water is the solvent, and those are known as aqueous solutions.